Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps to access your complete download history on the Google Play Store. It's super easy and incredibly useful, so grab your Android device and let's get started. First things first, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Manage Apps and Devices. Then go to the Manage tab. Here you'll find a list of apps currently installed on your device, but we're after for the treasure trove of your past downloads. Then go to the tab which says installed and not installed. Tap on the not installed app. Every app you've ever downloaded with your Google account, even those you've uninstalled, will be listed here. And that's it. This is how you discover apps from your past on the Google Play Store. Pretty handy, right? Whether you're looking to find an old favorite or just curious about your download history, now you know exactly where to look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.